God was really after was he was after sons. He is going to have sons to fellowship with throughout all eternity. God is not setting up a honeymoon only. He's setting up a kingdom in a new heaven and a new earth that has no date. It has no expiration date upon it. It won't be just 1,000 years. That's the honeymoon that leads to the eternity. 1,000 years is still measured in time, and that's not what we're working toward. We're not working toward a millennial honeymoon. We're moving toward and launching forth toward an eternity in fellowship with the sovereign God. He didn't want to dwell eternally in a tent. He wanted to dwell temporarily in a tent. He wanted to dwell temporarily in a temple made by the hands of men. Solomon's temple, Herod's remodeled temple, it goes on. But God's ultimate purpose was not to live under badger skins in a dusty old tent in the wilderness somewhere. What God was really after was he was after sons. Hallelujah. What about daughters? Sons. That's not leaving out the female. That's pulling her all the way in to God's economy. When we talk about his bride, his sons, they're the same body. These are different relationships that we have in the natural to help us understand the greatest relationship of them all, our spiritual fellowship, our spiritual relationship with the sovereign God. He wanted to live in sons once made of flesh. Like we say so often, the Son of God became a son of man, that we, the fallen sons of men, might become the sons of God.